What's up guys, my name is Alexander and welcome to my channel. Today I'll take you on a ride in one of the most hated BMW models ever. It's an E65 7 Series. I really don't know the exact reason on why it is hated so much, but I personally like the car. I'll make a spin around it, show you the interior, what hides under the bonnet, and then I'll take it for a test drive. As you can already see, the car, it is not in perfect visual condition, but that's not the point of the video. Now let's move on to the interior. This is what it looks like from the inside. It could be a perfect family car. The seats are nice and comfortable, and the trunk is really spacious as the whole car. Now let's move on to what's under the bonnet. This particular one is equipped with the legendary M57 engine. M57 stands for inline 6 turbo diesel engine, which is making 231 horsepower and 520 newton meters of torque. If you look after the car correctly, it could be very reliable, especially with this power plant. Now let's take it for a test drive. Let's fire it up and go. As you can already see, the selector is over here. This road is kinda dirty, but we'll be over it very soon. I'm really enjoying my time in this car, and I can drive it for as long as I have to without stopping. The ride quality is very good. I'm sorry for driving like that, but there are just too many bumps and I don't want to break the suspension. when I say suspension. This car has electronic damper control. Here it is. I'll select it right now. Right now it is in comfort. I can switch it to sports, and what that does is stiffening up your springs. If you want to drive it faster in the corners, but I don't really advise you to do that. After all, it's a comfortable cruiser, not a sports car. The steering is nice and light, unlike BMWs, which are 3rd and 5th series. Their steering wheels are kinda harder to turn, but this is a whole another car. This car comes with 6-speed automatic transmission, and I've recently changed the oil and it shifts pretty smoothly. When I get out of this industrial zone on a bigger and more straight road, I'll give it a little bit of gas so you can see what it can do. The road is kinda busy right now. Soon we will be on a bigger road where we can test the car even a little. Okay guys, I'll stop recording for now. I'll see you in a bit, just because there is traffic jam. Okay guys, I have driven in the traffic jam for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now We'll turn left here. Oh, and by the way, this car has manual and sport mode, but it doesn't have paddle shifters. You can shift with these buttons instead. There are two buttons on the rear of the steering wheel as well, but I'm almost never using it. And now here we're on the bigger road. We won't push the car that much, but it gets up to speed quite nicely. What I mean by that is that you can overtake safely, and yeah, the car could be really economical, if I can say, on longer trips. It drinks from 6 to 7 liters per 100 kilometers if you drive it normally, which is pretty good for a 2-ton car. And yeah, it is that heavy. It's about 1950 kilograms. And when I mentioned that it has a manual mode, you can switch between modes over here. We'll slow down a bit here and then make a left turn. And by the way, I think the engine sound is very good, especially if you straight pipe it. It's just a nice, comfortable ride. Sometimes I'm getting a bit bored of the car, but when I sit in another car I complain about how uncomfortable it is, and then I want to drive this car again. Okay guys, I'll stop right here, and this will be the end of the video. If you have enjoyed watching it, you can hit the like button and the subscribe button as well, and you can leave a comment down below. Thank you very much.